Welcome to EducateWP. In this video, we are going to deal with min and max quantity for WooCommerce plugin. This plugin helps you to set minimum and maximum quantity for your products, product variations, products in the cart, and also you can set limit for the cost of products in the cart. And this plugin also provides a premium version which has some additional features. You can just see it's listed out of here, and let's deal with the free version for now, so that you can download the plugin from here, or you can just go to the WordPress dashboard, plugins, add new section, and search for this plugin, and then just activate it. Just click on install now and activate the plugin. Once you activate it, you can see the settings over here, and also you can see BE Rocket over here. Just click on the settings. You can do either way. You can just click over there or here. Both takes you to the same page. And here, if they are providing so many options, so the first one is of if you want to hide the checkout if the min and max requirements are not met, you can do that by ticking over here. And if you want to set min and max quantity for your cart, you can do it from here. And for the price, this and zero for the cart. And if you want to do it for a single product alone, you can go to the single product page, and that I will show you later. And if you want to change any text which shows the error messages, you can do it from here. And if you want to add any styles from here, you can do it there. And this is the product limitation, and let me show you how to add a limitation. Just click on add min or max limitation, just give it a title and set a condition. When let me set it for on sale. When the product is on sale, you can take any other option too. Here I'm going to take the on sale and setting it as min quantity and max quantity 3, and just click on the save button. And once you go to the cart, you can say how already added a product in the cart. And let me go out of the max quantity and just update the cart. And you can see the message over here, the quantity of products in the cart should be less than 3. And for the single product, just go to the products, all products section, and take a single product page. And let me take the long sleeve too. You can see in the inventory section, you can see there are minimum and max quantity. This is for a single product alone, my minimum quantity and maximum quantity, and just click on the update. So it is updated. Then go to the shop page and try adding the below requirement or above the requirement. So this is long sleeve tee. So this is below the requirement. My minimum quantity is 2. Just click on add to cart. You can see that it should be more than 2 and less than 3. So this is very easy to set up. And this is the input limitation field. And this is in the add-on section. So let's see what happens when I click on the input limitation. So it's saved, and here my limitation is 3, max quantity is 3, so you should not add more than 3. So 3. You can see that I can add more. So this is limited over here. So this is the role of this particular checkout box. Once you have enabled the input limitation, you can see a menu over here, input limitation. So there you could not, you can just add a text where once you click on more than the quantity, you will just show the error. So this will show an error once you already have that maximum quantity in cart. You can see that error over here by enabling this one. So this is how you can easily set up the plugin.